So we've come now to the most awaited part of the program, the announcement of winners. And to announce the winner, may I request Mrs. Mara Bigman Lincoln, the chairman of the Board of Judges, to do the honor.
I was asking for more information because we found it really hard to deliberate the winners for today. But anyways, before I give you the winners for our declamation contest, I'd like to congratulate all our parents who are here. I know, can you clap for them? I know some of you here just took a leave for you to be with your sons and daughters. Secondly, I'd like to congratulate also the English Department of the Elementary, the teachers, the coordinator, and all the teachers who are here for like this. And of course, lastly, I'd like to congratulate the students, especially those who participated in this contest, because it takes a lot of, courage to stay here in front and perform. So, all of you are winners, but there are some who really stood up in this competition. Are you ready for the announcement? Pasensya na po hinihingal kasi medyo masama pa kinamdam ko. Mahirap na magkamay. So we start with category A. I'll start first with number 3. 3 goes to contestant number 1. Okay. Number 2, or the second place now, goes to contestant number 2. I'm sorry, contestant number 5. I'm sorry po. Contestant number 5. And of course, our winner for category A is, what do you think? And the winner is, of course, we have contestant number 4. For a while po. Sabi ko si double check nyo eh. I'm sorry. Kailan niyo ako mabuti? Ano na naman?
Klase nila yan?
Hindi. Hindi siya.
Kasi iba-iba kasi yung inaano sa udas. Anyway, so, our winner for category A is contestant number 3.